How to fix payment failure. Please try again on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kiran. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if you're seeing payment failure. Please try again on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check your payment method. For that, open up Facebook in a mobile device. From your home page, navigate to your menu page by tapping on the profile icon with the three-line icon at the top right corner. Under your menu page, now tap on your settings. Once you're under settings and privacy, you have to scroll down and search for your ads payments and then tap on it. That's gonna take you to your payment settings. And here you have to make sure that the payment method that you have provided is correct or the card details are correct, and make sure that the card is not expired. Also check if the billing address matches your bank records or not. Here you can also use another card. Provide your card details of another card. Also you can use your PayPal or UPI if available in your region to test. And if that's not your case, you can check with your bank. Sometimes some banks block the international or online transaction. So in that case, you can contact to your bank to ensure that your card allows Facebook Meta payments. And if that is not your case, again, the third option is to check for your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes a weak or poor network connection can also bring the issue, so you have to use a stable network. You can switch to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and then again reload your payment pages to check whether the problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you can clear your application data. For that, open up or navigate towards the Facebook app, tap and hold on it and then tap on app info. Under app info, tap on storage and cache, and here now you can tap on clear cache. After that, reopen the Facebook and check the payment method and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then at last you have to contact to the Facebook support, and then you can chat with a representative or the help center to report your issue and get help from Facebook support. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.